Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So in this video, I will show you how can you easily reset your network setting in Windows 11 device. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly we need to go to the setting application. So to open the application, you can simply type setting in the start menu, or the shortcut method is to right click on the Windows icon beside the start menu, and in the menu you will be able to see the setting option. Simply click on it and the application will open shortly. Once the setting application has been opened, in the left hand side menu you can see the option of network and internet. Simply click on it and scroll below to go to advanced network settings. Here you will be able to see network reset. Simply click on it and click on reset now option. Now once you click on yes, the network setting will be reset now. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.